Okay, basses. This is your training video for Make a Joyful Noise. And we're in the key of D major, so we have C sharps and F sharps. Okay, we have a little bit of pizzicato there at 24, and then we're back to arco at 32, so watch that. We have some bow retakes at 17, 56, 36, so just be aware of some bowing design here in this piece. Okay, the rest of the rhythms are pretty similar to what we've been working on, should be pretty familiar. So here we go. This is Make a Joyful Noise.